really rainy out today, so we decided that the right thing to do would be make a cake. So we're going to make a rainbow cake.
Eggs. You like eggs? Yeah.
We gathered up all our ingredients. We needed 3 eggs. Can you count the eggs, Evan?
2, 1, 3.
1, 2, 3. Close enough, baby. We needed 1 cup of water. And then we're supposed to use oil, but I only had coconut cream.
Yeah.
And I used the rest of our butter to oil our pan. So we'll see how this works. You ready?
Yeah.
No, I haven't got it. I'm a big boy. Alright, shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Perfect. Good job. Evan's gonna mix it. Now Mommy's gonna dump in the 3 eggs. So, mix it. Beautiful. We'll add in the 1 cup of water.
What's this one?
You're gonna have to scoop the cream of coconut out. Can you do that? Yeah, perfect. Let me shake it out. Alright, mix it up. Oh, Sissy's coming to help. She's got a spatula. Awesome job, you guys. This cake is gonna be so yummy. I'm so excited. Oh, is there more egg you wanna dump in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job, Mia. Does it look yummy?
Yeah.
You guys are doing a good job mixing it.
I think that's Sissy one.
Sissy has a spatula,
Yeah. I have fruit.
and you have a spoon. You're right.
I big one.
A big spoon. What color is your spoon?
I like
What color is Sissy's spatula?
black.
Good job. You having fun, Sissy?
Me too.
She is very focused.
Me too.
You're having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got it all out of the bowl and into our pan. Flattening it out. Oh, did you get dirty, Sissy?
Yeah.
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 Good
miss
job. I think it's time for Mommy to put it in the oven so it can cook.
No, I miss it.
Oh, you're still mixing it? Okay. Let me know when it's ready.
I'm not ready.
It's not ready yet?
I'm not ready.
You're not ready? Oh, Sissy. And it's in. So the box says that we need to let it cook for 28
Candles.
Yeah, there's a little picture of a cake with candles. Maybe we can put candles on it too. That'll be fun. We need to let it cook for 28 to 33 minutes. Good job washing your hands, Evan. Is that so yummy?
That's so yummy.
Oh my goodness. You're so silly. Good. What are you doing? I'm watching. Oh, very cool. You're doing it again? Starting to rise. Look, Ev. Remember Mommy told you how the cake would get big? It's starting to.
This box.
Ooh, rainbow ball.
Big one.
Rainbow soccer ball.
Big one. Big one.
Big one.
The big one.
Beach ball.
Big ball. A big ball. A big ball.
No beach ball.
I want the beach. No.
I want to go to the beach now too, but it's rainy out.
But Mom is. Oh, down. Okay.
Here comes Sissy.
Mommy.
Yes, handsome.
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy come in too?
Yeah.
Here, I went in the ball pit.
No, right here.
Ball pit.
No, let it go.
Want me to do it? Wait.
Aww.
You try.
I'm missing.
Oh no! Again?
Yeah. You did it!
High five! Yeah, high five. Yeah. What are you playing that guitar, baby? Yeah. Play that music. Yes, rockstar!
Let's jam again later.
Guitar solo. Beautiful. And I have super wings. Great, we got our cake out. Stuck a little bit, but not bad. We can make this. Mommy iced the cake, and now we can decorate. We have some sprinkles and some icing. Now, let me show you how it works.
Yeah.
We turn it upside down. And it does that. Let me help. Here, we can try a different lever on it. Yep. So now I have a different knob on it. Ready? You pull where you want to go, Mommy. Push it. Ooh. Nice. Ooh, it's yummy.
Oh, right here. Let's see it.
Okay.
Oh!
Hands. Oh no.
That's silly. That's that.
Oh, you too?
It's here.
Mm.
Try it.
Try it. Is it good?
No.
No, we didn't make a good cake.
Yeah.
What do you think, Sissy? You try it, Ab. Take a bite. It's good?
Here. It's here.
Mommy's sitting on the chair. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Look at your blue face.
No what?